Nios Class 12 Mathematics, 311, Memo Chapter Wise Practice Questions Round Pushpin 1. Coordinate Geometry, 2D and 3D. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of A, 4, -1, and B, 7, 2. Find the intercepts made by the line 3x2y plus 12 equals 0 on coordinate axes. Find the center and radius of the circle 4x squared plus 4y squared 2x plus 3y 6 equals 0. Find the angle between the lines 2x plus 3y equals 4 and 3x 2y equals 7. Find the centroid of triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Find the equation of hyperbola with vertices plus or minus 3, 0, and foci plus or minus 5, 0. Find the equation of parabola with focus 2, 3, and directrix x4y plus 3 equals 0. Find the coordinates dividing the line joining 2, 4, 3, and -4, 5, -6 in ratio 2:1. Reduce plane 4x5y plus 6z 120 equals 0 into intercept form and find intercepts. Find equation of plane passing through -1, 2, 3, and 2, -3, 4 perpendicular to plane 3x plus y, z plus 5 equals 0. Round pushpin 2. Matrices and determinants. Find a B if A and B are given matrices. Find a plus at for given matrix A if matrices are equal. Find value of P. Find determinant of given matrix. Find minus of elements of matrix. Find A plus B and A, B for given matrices. Find inverse of matrix using elementary transformations. Prove determinant identity involving cyclic matrices. Fill in blanks related to singular matrix, transpose and number of matrices. Match matrix orders for A, B and BA. Round pushpin 3. Relations and functions. Find fog, x, for given functions f, x, and g, x. Find inverse function of f, x, equals x plus 3. Identify which functions are bijections. Verify whether relation is symmetric. Check if relation is equivalence relation. Write negation of given logical statements. Round pushpin 4. Calculus, differentiation and application. Find dy, dx if y equals x to the power of n. Find dy, dx if sin y equals x sin a plus y. Differentiate e caret x, 1 plus sin x. Find derivative of sec, 3x to the power of 5. Find derivative of cos squared x. Find general solution of dy, dx 6x equals 0. Find derivative of sin x. Find critical points of function 2x cubed 3x squared 12x plus 8. Identify maxima and minima using second derivative. Find volume optimization problem of box from square sheet. Find cone of maximum volume inside sphere. Round